Mmm.
And wrap it over. There you go.
Day 200, first roll.
I've got some progress to make. Some of the ingredients are on the sides, you know, it's an art, folks. It is an art. So, second roll, third roll, it's gonna be even better than the first. Educator Chipotle Challenge, day 221, Ebbe. This is how I roll, take 2, April 6th, 2019. Let's see if I can make it to an A+. Yes, I can do it, I can do it. Educator Chipotle Challenge, day 221, take 2 on This Is How I Roll. 2, take 2. All right, can I get a burrito?
Of course. And are we doing white or brown rice today?
I'm gonna do half and half.
Half and half.
Yeah.
And then some black or beans.
No beans.
Smart.
Yeah. And chicken.
And what kind of salsa?
Mild. Sour cream. Cheese and lettuce.
Awesome.
I'm aiming for an A+. Last time I got a C. In my opinion.
Alright. Here we go.
So from the back to the sides to the front, correct?
Yes. So the easiest way is to bring it over. The tortilla is a lot more stretchier than you think. So don't be scared to give it a little tug.
How you do it, you like add in there, okay. How do you get all those ingredients in?
Yup.
Sides.
Yup. Yep, there it is. There it is.
It's a little bit better than last time. Okay.
Yep. Bring it over.
Not entirely. I'd say, what do you say? Maybe like a C+ this time?
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. Okay.
There it
Take
is.
2. Educator Chipotle Challenge, day 221. Ebbe. Thank you, Jennifer. And Simone. All right, Simone. What grade would you give me on my roll?
So for the burrito itself, I give you like a nice solid B. It's just the tin foil that was a little iffy. That's like kind of like C- area.
Okay.
So it's, I guess it would average out at like a B-, C+, C+ kind of area.
Okay.
C-ish. But yeah, no, you're getting better.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. All right, ECC day 221. This is how I roll take 2. I rolled this burrito. The tin foil could use some work, but solid B on the roll of the tortilla. We'll work on that. We'll work on that. Take a look. Everything is in. Everything is in. Last time, it was definitely not all the way in. There were ingredients hanging out around here. Getting better. Getting better. Still great. And even more satisfying because I rolled it myself. I'm probably going to do it at least 2 more times. Goal is in the A range. A+. Awesome. Solid A. I will take it. I need to work on the technique is unmatchable, Haley says. Agreed. and I am improving it. I got all the ingredients in the tortilla this time, so hopefully the third time I'll be able to roll even tighter and get the entire burrito into the foil. Alright, I'm going to finish eating this. Much love. Keep it real. Have a great day. Happy Saturday.